All right, so we got a new screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've used them for both the 15 and the 16, and they are just really easy to use, and they work really well. So we have our screen protector. Actually, that's an extra screen protector, so you do get 2 of them with this one. That'll be good. So we do have our little user guide. We have an installation kit. 2 installation kits. So in our little kit, we have a little cleaning cloth. We have our dust stickers, and we have our wet wipe. Now all we're going to have to do is just place our phone in, close it. All we're going to have to do is hold the top and pull this. Then it says give it 10 seconds to allow all the bubbles to escape. After our 10 seconds, we're going to lift. Ah, that looks good. All right, no bubbles, and I chose the privacy screen. So with a little bit of an angle, the people behind you or beside you are not going to be able to read your screen. But if you're looking for a really good screen protector to use, I've been using Magic John for a couple of years. One of the easiest to apply, and they make really good privacy ones.